to talk about this $7 blender. I'll give you 4.
Well, since you're wearing olive green, my favorite color, okay, $4 for the blender, please.
Oh, shucks. But I only have 3. Tell you what, I'll give you 3 for it, and I'll pretend I didn't notice the calcium stains in the pitcher.
You're scaring me. I'm gonna have to check with my dad.
My Aunt Judy, who recently passed away, had this exact same vacuum. I know she would have wanted me to have it. Offered to me at a lower price. It's just who my Aunt Judy was.
Okay. I'll let you have it for 15.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Go ahead.
My dad says you don't look like you're worth the hassle. $3 is fine.
Your dad is a smart man.